G'day, it's Dan here. We're going to do another quick Ruleset Wizard tutorial video. Today is going to be pretty much still working in the weapon skill, or the weapons frame and the armor frame, and we're just going to tidy up some things in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is create two more icons. So we'll click on icons and add a new icon, and this one's going to be an icon shield, and we've got an icon penalty, okay. We're going to pop back into car sheet main, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this section here and we're going to drop it down by 20 pixels. So I'm going to go off the working area here and drag in back over until I select all of those elements, and I'm going to move them down 20 pixels. Easy. I'm then going to click on the armor frame, and I'm going to first increase its height to 130, so adding those 20 pixels in here, and then I'm going to change the frame offset here. I'm going to increase this to 28. So instead of 5555, I'm going to make it 52855. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I want to basically use, I need two text labels and I need two icon labels. So I'm going to scroll down here and try and grab those, and I'm going to duplicate them. And when you duplicate them, if there's multiple ones, only one of them stays selected. So just select the other ones. And I'm going to move them over and move them up. So we just want to check here. We're roughly 67 pixels across, and here 68. So we're going to move all of those just over 1 pixel. Okay, and we'll find that our skill section here is actually a bit longer. I'm going to move these here. This is a bit of a guess just at the moment. We're going to change this icon, or actually we're going to change this one to this text is going to be, instead of weapon, it's going to be location. It's going to be called location label. I'm going to repeat it here for this one. Will be called armor. Armor description label. And our icons here, we're going to change this icon from icon damage. We're going to set it to the shield. Call it armor SP label, and the next one is penalty. Okay, they're done. We might increase the width of this one. It doesn't actually need it, but just so we can see it on the screen. Alright, generate the rule set, save there. Alright, location armor. Okay, we can probably move these ones over 2 pixels, and this can take a third field, that's perfect. That's exactly as long as we need it. Location, armor. Yep, so we're just going to move these ones over 2 pixels, and that's done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to change these ranges. So at the moment, the 0 is supposed to indicate 0 to 6, 7 to 12, 13 to 25, etc. Last one being 401 to 800. What I'm going to do, I think it probably makes more sense, is to put the upper end of that range. So this will become 6, this will become 12, this will become 25, and this will become 800. So we're going to quickly do that one as well. And the skills here, we're going to change them from using what I would normally use as a single word label internally in the database. I'm going to put the full text one in there, and we'll just resolve that in the back end code. So let's make those changes now. Label here should be 6, 12, okay, so those ranges. Now to change that list, drop down list in our skill, we actually want to do that in weapon detail. Click on the field here. We go to items, collection, and we're going to change this to the proper English version of it. Okay, we do those, and this direction is down, and we're going to set a sort on there. So we'll sort them, yes, and that way it should show archery first. Okay, and just at least have some sort of logic behind it. Let's generate these changes. Fantastic. Now, this role, we can't actually do the full calculations for this role just yet because they need a skill, because we have to add the value of the skill, and we're going to add those skills in shortly in another video. Let's update these. So handgun and handgun. We can set handgun up there, and those fields are all set now. So that was a nice quick video for today, and we'll do something new in our next video. Thank you.